A much-loved television couple who makes one of the best off-screen couples as well. Yes, we are talking about Sushant Singh Rajput and Ankita Lokhande, Akka, Manav and Archana. This lead couple of Pavitra Rishta made everyone fall in love with their simplicity. Sushant and Ankita's love story is a perfect example of how opposites attract. There was a time when these two could not stand each other. If you don't believe us, hear this out. Sushant Singh Rajput and Ankita Lokhande together make a couple that looks head over heels in love with each other. Although that is true now, there was a time when these two would not even look eye to eye. Sushant and Ankita met for the first time as their characters Manav and Archana on their sets of the television serial Pavitra Rishta. Initially, there was some friction between the two. They would often argue on the sets. Ankita, unlike her on-screen character, is an extrovert. As soon as the shoot would get over, she would go and gel with other cast and crew members. Sushant, on the other hand, is an introvert. His pastime activity on the sets would be to sit in a corner and watch movies on his laptop. After a few fights, these two opposites realize they are indifferent towards each other without any reason, and their friendship began. It was Sushant who first said that their friendship was the first step of love. It took a lot of wooing from Sushant, and then Ankita finally said yes to him. On wooing the lady, Sushant ushered, "Ankita hated me initially, but finally she gave in and said yes." When you are spending 16 to 17 hours with a person who is persistently trying to woo you, you really don't have much choice, do you? Sushant Singh Rajput and Ankita Lokhande had been in a relationship for more than 5 years. Since Sushant is a wallflower and does not like to let his personal life become a part of the public sphere, nobody got a whiff that their favorite on-screen couple is in a relationship. This made Ankita insecure, as she thought that Sushant was not much engaged in their relationship. Finally, on a dance reality show, Jhalak Dikhla Ja, the couple declared that they have been seeing each other for the past 2 years. To Ankita's surprise, her shy beau proposed to her on the sets of the same reality show. A very happy Ankita had said, "He's a romantic and pampers me a lot. In fact, there are a lot of similarities between him and Manav, the character that he plays on TV. He's shy and soft-spoken, but of late, he's learning to express his feelings better than before." While celebrating New Year together in Dubai in 2014, Sushant had apparently proposed to Ankita again. Ankita Lokhande finished the shooting of Pavitra Rishta and had been enjoying her break and the superstar status of a television actress, while Sushant rose to fame with his Bollywood debut Kai Po Che and had not been looking back since then. He had been delivering back-to-back hits. Sushant Singh Rajput's growing popularity was leading to a stronger female following, and the Shuddh Desi romance boy loved it when his female fans following made his lady jealous. He gushed, "I feel very happy when Ankita Lokhande is jealous of my female fans." Tinseltown is a beautiful place for dreams, but not that solid for relationships. Rumors about their breakup cropped up soon after the success of his films. But Sushant rubbished all the fake stories and asserted, "I'm lucky to have Ankita in my life. I don't know what I'd do without her. People say things and she still trusts me. That level of trust is something that I love about her. If I'm in the industry, it's good that I have a partner like her." The level of trust and unconditional love is rare in today's world. There were rumors that Ankita and Sushant were to get married in Ujjain before moving in together to their apartment in Malad owing to parental pressure, but the couple had always denied the news. But according to sources, the couple had been asked about its wedding plans numerous times, but the two had always maintained that they would announce it soon. However, at the success bash of PK, when Sushant was asked the same question by a few guests, he responded by saying that the wedding might take place in November. A little perturbed, Sushant had said, "I am honestly not sure. I mean, for the past few months, I have been very confidently saying that our marriage will happen in 2016. But Ankita may suddenly say no to getting married next year. You never know." Keeping aside the early wedding jitters, Sushant and Ankita were planning to have a big fat Indian wedding. As he said, "My side of the family is very chilled out. They will be fine even if I decide to have a court marriage. However, she wants to get married in a palace in Jodhpur, and I'm fine with that." Although Sushant and Ankita had been together since their struggling days, some things seemed to have changed between them. As Sushant made his foray into Bollywood, reports of minor clashes between them started surfacing. Although not much heed was paid initially, it grabbed the spotlight after they reportedly had a meltdown in public. According to reports, Ankita was quite possessive about Sushant and despised his closeness with his co-stars during the shoots. His growing fondness for Kriti Sanon during the shooting of Rapta was reportedly something that didn't go down well with her. The two eventually fell apart, ending their 6 years of relationship.